Good evening and welcome to the Q&A session 23 from the playlist of IIT JEE Advanced Physics. The topic is the charging by induction, and based on this topic I have one question for this session which was asked in the IIT JEE exam in the year 2007. So here the question is: a positive charge is brought near a neutral conducting sphere. So the net charge on the sphere is, so there are four options here. The first option is 0, the second option is negative and uniformly distributed on the sphere. The third option is negative and non-uniformly distributed on the sphere. And the fourth option is negative and appearing on the side of the sphere near the positive charge. Now here there is one sphere here like this, and a positive charge, say Q, is brought near it, and this sphere is neutral. So the net charge on the sphere is 0. It is 0 before bringing this positive charge near it. Now when this positive charge is brought near it, so here there is no physical contact between this charge and this sphere. So by induction, by the process of induction, the free electrons, they will start accumulating on this side of the sphere, this side. On this side of the sphere, the free electrons will start getting accumulated on this side of the sphere, because this is a positive charge, and because of that this side will become negatively charged and this side will become positively charged. That is the other side of the sphere which is away from the positive charge. So this side will become positively charged and this side will become negatively charged. However, because there is no transfer of external, there is no transfer of any charge from outside, therefore the net charge on the sphere will still remains 0. So here the option will be, the correct option will be A, that is 0. That is, the net charge on the sphere, even after bringing this positive charge near it, will be 0, because there is no transfer of charge from outside. It is only that the charges, that the free charges are getting redistributed or getting distributed on the surface in such a way that the free electrons are getting attracted towards this positive charge. So they will get attracted and they will get accumulated on the side which is near to this positive charge, and the other side will get positively charged. However, the net charge will remain the same because there is no addition of any charge from outside. So the correct option here is A, that is 0. So thank you very much for joining this session. Now in the next session again I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the chapter of electric charges and fields. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.